Everybody shake it, baby.
G'day, g'day, g'day. Happy dance. Happy dance. Yeah, so people that have followed this channel know that I've had a misfire in my 2001 Mark IV Bora, and I've just fixed it with a little bit of help. Yeah, just fixed it. Replaced the coil pack, and yeah, works fine. So what do you need to fix it? A 5mm ball-end hex or Allen key. Maybe a screwdriver to get the clip for the wiring off, and that's it. 3 screws, bolts, ball-end hex things. Undo those. Well, obviously, pull your leads off, undo the bolts, pull it off a little bit because it's a lot easier to get at the wiring clip. Use a flathead screwdriver if you need to help you get the wiring clip off, and then just reverse, put the clip on, put the screws in, bolt it back in, and she's done. Easy, simple job. Yeah, take a picture or label your spark plugs. I got them back to front and thought I hadn't fixed anything, and yeah, it was just the way that I'd put the leads back on. I got them back to front. But now, yeah, up to operating temperature, did about 5 kilometres, no misfire, no nothing. Was cheap, fix, 45 bucks delivered to my door. So, yeah, all good. Happy dance. Man's happy now. All right. Hooroo.